Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about fundamental steps in digital image processing. For processing of digital image, we have to come across various steps like image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelet and fundamental resource process resolution processing, compression of image, morphological processing, segmentation, representation and description, and object recognition. Now, let us see step by step. First, fundamental problem domain. First, check for the fundamental problem domain. So, this problem domain is available in various forms. Like to detect an image of human face in a given image, we have to do some processing. So now we will see the steps for processing of that image. First we go for the first step, that is image acquisition. Image which is acquired is completely unprocessed. That is, first what we collected, that is completely unprocessed. Hence, in image acquisition, pre-processing is done by using the method like scaling. Hence, here image acquisition is used to retrieve an image or to collect an image from source. Generally, that source is available, collection of image is done by using hardware. That hardware is called as sensor here. Next step is image enhancement. This process is used for digital image adjustment so that results are more suitable for display and also useful for further analysis of an image, like sharpening of an image, brightening and contrast adjustments, removal of noise, etc. All these things can be done by using image enhancement. This image enhancement is done to modify an image to get clear visibility, simply we can say. And it is subjective in nature. So what is subjective in nature? It differs from person to the person. It means some people like high saturation image and some people like some natural colors. So based on that, images adjustment has taken place in this image enhancement. Next step is image restoration. So in this image restoration, completely this is objective in nature. It is the process of recovering of an image that has been degraded. Then next step is color image processing. This is used to process colored images such as indexed images and RGB images. Okay. Next, fifth step is wavelet and multi-resolution processing. Here, what are the wavelets means? Wavelets are small waves of limited duration which are used for calculation of wavelet transmission time, which provides time frequency information of an image. Here, images are represented with various degrees of resolution. That's why we are calling this as multi-resolution processing. Next step is image compression. It deals with the technique for reducing the storage space to save an image. If size of an image is large, it requires more bandwidth. Hence, image is compressed to reduce the bandwidth by using this step. Next, seventh step is morphological processing. In this technique, it deals with the extracting of image components that is useful for representation and description of an image shape. It includes basic morphological processes like erosion and dilation. In this morphological process, we are having two operations like erosion and dilation. Next, eighth step is segmentation. Segmentation is nothing but the term itself indicating partition of an image. So, it is the process of partitioning of an image into multiple segments. It is generally used to locate an object and boundaries of an image. Next step is representation and description. It deals with converting a data into suitable form for computer processing. There are two types of representations, like first one is boundary representation and it is used when focus is on external shape of an image. For example, like corner. Next, regional representation. This type of representation is used when the focus is on internal properties like texture of an image. And what is description here? This is deals with the extracting attributes to provide quantitative information and also used for differentiating one class of object with other class of object. Next we go for the next step, that is object. This process is used to assign a label for an object. For example, if image consisting of a car, by using this step it identifies as a car. To identify the person or thing, this step is used. Next we go for the knowledge base. So knowledge about a problem domain is coded into image processing in the form of knowledge base here. So all the information used for processing of an image is provided in knowledge base, simply we can say. One more thing very important to note down here. From if you see the block diagram of these fundamental steps, from image acquisition to the morphological processing, the output is in terms of an image. And from the morphological processing to the object recognition, the outputs are in terms of attributes of an image. I hope this topic about fundamental steps of digital image processing is clear to you all. Thank you.
Video and this.